Hi, I'm Gary. Let's enjoy English together. Today's targets are 1. Movement, and 2. Review of phonics. E-E-E, E-A, E, A-I, A, I-E, I, O-A, O, O-O, oo, and O-O, O. Let's start the DVD lesson. Next, let's do some actions. Today, I want you to challenge them by yourself, okay? I will give you the gesture and you do the actions.
先生がジェスチャーをするから、あなたは動いてね。
Are you ready? Stand up. Laugh at. Cry for. Smile at. Frown at. Shout at. Whisper to. Sit down. Okay, good job. Finally, I will say only the words and you do the actions.
最後に先生は言葉だけ言うよ。あなたは動いてね。
Are you ready? Stand up. Laugh at. Cry for. Smile at. Frown at. Shout at. Whisper to. Sit down. Excellent! Next week, I will show you new actions. Goodbye. Hi, it's phonics time. Let's review what we have learned over the last 3 weeks.
今までの3週間で習ったことを復習しよう。
Are you ready? E-E is E. B. E-A is E. C. A-I is A. Rain. I-E is I. Tie. O-A is O. Boat. O-O is oo. Pool. O-O is book. Okay, one more time. Are you ready? E-E is E. B. E-A is E. C. A-I is A. Rain. I-E is I. Tie. O-A is O. Boat. O-O is oo. Pool. O-O is book. Well done. Next week, let's start something new. See you next time.
See you next time.
Who's that? It's time to sing. Let's sing the song, Where Are My Things, together. It's time to go to school. But where are my things? Where are my things?
Where are my things?
Where are my things?
Where can it be?
Where is my pen?
Where is my pen?
Where is my pen?
Where is my pen?
Is it on the table?
No,
Is it under the desk?
no,
Is it in the drawer?
no.
Where is it?
It's behind the curtain.
Where are my things?
Where are my things?
Where are my things?
Where can it be?
Where are my shoes?
Where are my shoes?
Where are my shoes?
Where are my shoes?
Are they next to the TV?
No,
Are they in front of the door?
no,
Are they between the sofa and chair?
no. Where
Where-
are they?
They're on your feet! Ha 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 ha! Well done! Next time we'll sing a new song. Are you excited? Yes? Me too. Goodbye. It's vocabulary time. Let's review the words you learned last time. Give. Take. Go. Come. Wash. Brush. Next, I'm going to give you a small hint. Try to say the answer before I tell you what it is. Are you ready? What do I do?
これから先生が何をするか当ててね。わかったらすぐに言ってみてね。
I wash the dishes. Two dogs come to me. I go there. I brush my teeth. I take an orange. I give Akiko a present. Could you say them all? Well done. Hi! It's chance time. Let's enjoy doing the chants. This week I want you to challenge them by yourself. I will do the actions and you speak. Are you ready? Good job! Hi, it's book time! This week is the last time for the story. I will read the story to you in English only. Please enjoy it together with me. Actions in the Morning. Written by Gary and Akiko. I wake up in the morning. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I change my clothes. I eat breakfast. I read a book. I get ready for school. I get ready for kindergarten. See you later, Mom. The end. Did you understand the story? Goodbye.
Hi, my name's Max.
My name's Carla.
My name is Dino.
Now let's play the sound guessing game. Somebody says that. Guess who? Are you ready?
Set.
Zip.
That. Who said that?
I did. I said that.
Oh, Linda said that. Did you get it? By the way, what did you say, Carla?
I said set. Set.
I see. How about you, Max? Max?
I said zip. Zip.
I see.
Bye, everybody. See you next time.
Hey, how was that? Now today's DVD lesson is over. Can you remember today's targets? Today's targets were 1. Movement, and 2. Review of phonics, E, E, EA, E, AI, A, IE, I, OA, O, OO, oo, and OO. Don't forget. See you next time. Goodbye.